Progress isn't a destination. It's a heartbeat. We've mastered accountability. We've looked in the mirror. Now, we move. Chapter 3 isn't about the summit. It's about the resolve to start the climb. One habit at a time.
One step. One commitment kept to yourself when no one is watching. It starts in the quiet, in the preparation, in the choice to show up. One box checked. One morning won. This is where the rebuilding begins.
The mountain never asked if I was ready. It only asked if I would show up.
And today, we show up. Stay positive. Stay accountable. Mindset Rebuilders. Chapter 3 starts now. The mountain never asked if I was tired. It never cared about the excuses I made in the valley. It only demanded my presence.
Progress isn't a straight line. It's a series of switchbacks, some steep, some slow, but all leading up.
When the wind picks up and the path disappears, that's when accountability becomes action. Don't look at how far you have to go. Look at how far you've already climbed. Consistency is the only bridge between the person you were and the person you are becoming. Keep moving. Ownership means you don't stop when you're tired. You stop when you're done. Stay positive. Stay accountable. Mindset Rebuilders. Part 2 is the work.
We don't climb to be seen by the world. We climb to see it. Every habit, every switchback, every moment of grit, it led here. The view from the top isn't just a reward. It's a new perspective. You are not the person who started this climb. You are a rebuilder.
Progress is the bridge between who you were and who you are becoming. And this is only the beginning. Ownership brought you here. Purpose will take you further. Chapter 3 is where we build. Stay positive. Stay accountable. Mindset Rebuilders. Chapter 3. Progress. Let's get to work. Stay positive. Stay accountable. Mindset Rebuilders. Because big change is built through small steps. And every single step you take on this mountain is a vote for who you are becoming today. Accountability changed everything. It's about taking complete ownership of the climb. No matter how steep the switchbacks get, now the real work begins.
Every small step you take today is a vote for the future you want to live tomorrow. Your first million is an emotional investment before it's ever a financial one.
But you don't climb alone. We build this future together, inside a community of mindset rebuilders who refuse to settle. Your purpose is bigger than your struggle. The journey continues. Stay positive, stay accountable. Mindset Rebuilders.